Palak Soya Paneer or Palak Tofu as it is called is a very easy alternative to regular Palak Paneer where paneer is made from dairy or animal milk. All you have to do is replace the dairy paneer with tofu or soya paneer. So how to make this delicious recipe? Let's find out. I have taken a bunch of palak. This is 250 gram of palak and washed with water 3 times. I have soaked 1/4 cup of cashew in water. I have taken 2 big cloves of garlic and coriander leaves, jaggery powder and tofu. Now this is commercially available tofu. People prepare tofu at home also with soya beans, but now commercially available tofu is readily available in most of the grocery shops. There are many brands in India. Just check out the aisle where you get the regular paneer and you will see this. This is available for 99 rupees to 85 rupees as per the brand. See, you can see a vegan symbol V on it, and this is 200 grams of packet. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 chopped onion, puree of 1 tomato, ginger garlic paste and all the dry spices. Now in a vessel I have taken water and I am going to blanch the palak. Now we are not going to boil this water, we are just going to heat the water and let the palak blanch. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. Let the palak blanch for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we are going to cut the packet of tofu. I am using 400 grams of tofu for this curry. You have to cut the packet of tofu and drain out the water. The tofu is stored in purified water to increase its shelf life. Generally, its expiry date is up to 45 days. After you have removed the tofu, you have to rinse tofu properly in tap water and then it's ready to use. Take the tofu on the cutting board and make pieces of your choice. It can be rectangular pieces or square pieces as you wish to add in the curry. Our palak has blanched nicely and now is the time to transfer this blanched palak into ice cool water to stop the cooking process. We will let it be in this ice cool water for 5 minutes. In another vessel, I have taken water to boil the tofu pieces. Add salt and let the tofu pieces boil for 4 to 5 minutes after boiling. We will make the palak puree by adding the blanched palak, garlic cloves and coriander leaves and grind them properly. Look at this lovely palak puree. The color is so rich. To make the gravy, I have taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon and 1 pod of cardamom, and I have put in the hot wok. And when you get nice aroma of these spices, I have added 1 finely chopped onion, and to cook this onion I have added 1/4 cup of water and put the flame on high till the water gets evaporated. After that I added the ginger garlic paste and added 2 tablespoons of gram flour. The gram flour will get stuck on the bottom of the pan, so put the flame on low and just stir it for 15 seconds. After that we have added the tomato puree, and to cook the tomato puree well I have added a 1/4 cup of water. Add chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder, jeera powder, that is cumin powder. Mix everything properly. Add the palak puree and stir everything. Add half cup of water by putting water in the mixie jar, taking all the residue of the palak puree. Mix everything properly. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, jaggery powder. This is completely option. If you don't like little bit sweetish taste, then you can omit jaggery powder, but we personally like it. Now we had soaked the cashew, grind them, and after that add 2 tablespoons of water and again make a smooth paste of cashew paste and add cashew paste. Cashew paste adds richness to your curry, that creaminess comes, and you can even add more water to adjust the consistency of your gravy. If you want little more liquidy or watery kind of gravy, you can add more water as per your preference. Add garam masala and mix it well. Now is the time to add the tofu. The tofu was boiling for 5 minutes and it has become very soft, ready to get added to our curry. This is easy recipe of tofu palak or soya paneer palak. You can relish it with chapati or any rice based dish, or you can have it as it is. So easy recipe. Do try it out and let me know in comment section how it turned out for you. For more such yummy recipes, do subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.